Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage.
Hey everybody, hey everyone, we're going to go on a little adventure today. Yesterday we stocked up on firewood inside.
And outside.
Hey,
and outside.
And outside, there you go. And we did that in preparation for SnoMaggedon. It's not much snow anywhere else in the world, but up in Seattle, people lose their minds. So because of that, Waste Management did not do their pickup. So we need to go get our cans.
That looks cool. It's like a waterfall.
The tarp's coming apart, actually. That's a giant hole in it.
Oh! Oh! Why did it come apart?
Well, cheap tarp.
The tarp just came apart.
This is one of those things I need to fix in the Scout here. Obviously the choke is not adjusted for winter weather, you know. So we're gonna drive a little bit on the brake and a little bit on the gas. And we're off. Keep it steady, son. Keep it steady straight ahead, okay? Scout does pretty good in the snow.
Except for the starting part. That was a little bit wacko.
Yeah, it didn't start too well.
Those are the biggest wheels that came out today.
Those are 33s. Oh, it's fine. I'm just getting my I know it's doing great, man. So what I do is I bring these big carabiners from Harbor Freight. Come around. And I just hook these on here.
Bigger one? Whoa.
They're still full, son.
So, right in there. Hooked on. Next one.
Okay.
Oh, is that one still full?
Yep.
So here they go.
Yeah, so I don't blame Waste Management. I mean, they got to do their safety thing, but King County management, absolutely horrible. They have not been icing the roads. They got completely caught off guard. There's no ice melt anywhere. I don't mind them not having a lot of plows, but they had 5 days to get the roads cleared between snowstorms, and they did basically nothing.
They did one plow.
Yeah.
And it wasn't very
So
good.
to the King County management, you suck.
Doesn't anyone else complain?
All right, domestic duties are done. Time to have some fun in the snow.
Donuts.
No.
Donuts, yeah.
We're back in business. It was just a loose ground. I wanted to do donuts, but Oh my God.
Like your scout.
Stand back there.
Bye! Bye! We hope you had fun watching us do donuts. And right.
Hey, what do you guys think about me selling the Bronco?
No.
No way.
Kind of. Okay, fine, yeah, because then you can fix that thing. And you can skateboard with me.
See you next time on Matt's Garage.